how to log into your People's Bank account. So first of all, open any web browser you have available. I'm just going to use Google Chrome and search for People's Bank login. And once you search for this, this web page will be available, and click the first link that says digitalpeoplesbank.lk. So just click on it. This will directly take you to the login portal of People's Bank. So once you are in the login page, you can enter your username like so, and the verification code that's shown right here. If you don't understand, you can generate it and set another code. So I'm just going to enter mine right here, 9584. And once you have entered the code, you just click on login, and here you can enter your password of your account and then simply click on login. After doing so, you should be logged into your People's Bank account. But if you forgot your password, then what you can do is click here, click right here that says forgot password, and this will send you a password reset link to your email or your phone, so you can reset your password from there. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.